Welcome back to the channel. I saw this question and I would like us to take a look at it. We're going to find the point of intersection of these two lines. The question says a straight line L1 with equation 4x minus y is equals to 0. That's the first equation. It says 4x minus y is equals to 0. And the second equation, second line is with equation 2x plus 3y minus 21 is equals to 0. I've tried to draw both lines. Here is line 1 and here is line 2. Now we have to find the point of intersection A. That is this point where both lines meet. One unique thing about this point of intersection A is that the value of x and the value of y at this point for both lines is the same. So at that point, we can find that point using a simple simultaneous equation. Let's call this my equation 1. Let's call this my equation 2. So from 1, we're saying that y will be equals to 4x. I can now substitute in 2. So that if y is equals to 4x, then 2x plus 3 into 4x minus 21 is equals to 0. Then 2x plus 12x is equals to 21. Obviously, this is 14x is equals to 21. Then we can authoritatively say that my x is equals to 21 divided by 14. That's the same thing as 3 over 2. Now, if x is 3 over 2, remember my y from here, we said that my y is the same thing as 4x. So that my y now will be the same thing as 4 into 3 over 2. That's the same thing as 2 here is 1, 2 here is 2. That's 6. So at this point A, the value or the A is noted as what? 3 over 2 and 6. Will this help you understand how to find the intersecting point of two lines? Thank you for staying with us and see you in our next class.